Dear students, hope everybody is fine. You completed your PUC examination, PCMB. So only computer science left. Who completed PCMB? Don't be relaxed. It's time for crash course, everybody. So whatever you studied from the last 12 years of your education, this is the peak time. This is very, very important time for you. This 1 month, 1.5 month, whatever hard work you did, that is your rank. Dear student, that rank is will give you very good engineering or medical college. That medical engineering very good college will give you a very good job. So it's a link. It's a very peak time for every student who are completing the second PUC. These 40 days of crash course, utilize the time for study, very important. Take the crash course, don't forget this 45 days. You can study like a how you studied in the 10th standard at the time of examination, like that you can study these 45 days. Utilize each and every minute. 8 hours you can spend time for eating, sleeping, taking bath and other things. 16 hours of study required, 8 hours crash course coaching, 8 hours self study is important. All these if you take, definitely will get very good marks in a KCET and NEET. I request everybody, please take the crash course coaching. It is very important at this time, this moment. You spend a lot of amount for so many activities, so many books, so many studies, everywhere, anywhere. But now whatever you are spending this 1.5 month time, that amount will remember you throughout your life, because that itself is the rank. So whatever amount you are spending in the next 45 days for the crash course, that amount is your complete life earnings. So remember, dear students, don't ignore. Please join the crash course. Thank you very much, your PK sir.